Go!
All right, hi, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vonder, and we're talking about tattoo litigation. Yes, that's right, tattoo litigation. So you get one of these tattoos, you get a little something put on your arm there, right? And so you have a tattoo. Now, these are little creative pieces, right? Somebody creates that. Can that be copyrighted, a tattoo? Yes, if it's fixed in a tangible medium of expression, then it can be subject to a copyright because it's an original work. And it's fixed in a tangible medium of expression, just like a song, just like a photo, just like a video, okay? So, but that's only if it's original, if it's an original work of authorship. What happens if you copy someone or you're copying a photo? You get a photo and you're copying that on a tattoo. Well, let's take a look. This just raised a tattoo litigation, Central District of California. Here we go. Jeffrey Sedlick versus Catherine von Drachenberg? Kat Von D. Now, with my last name, Von Dran, you know who I'm siding with already here. Kat Von D. I might have to borrow that. That's hilarious. Kat Von D, high-profile social media personality, millions of followers on social media. So here's what happened. A lawsuit for copyright infringement based on a tattoo. So I'm going to get you just right to it here so we can just kind of cut to the chase. I'll show you the picture. Can you guess who this is? I'm going to give you a second. Jazz, history of jazz, one of the greats of all time. Miles Davis, if you guessed that, you're amazing. Miles Davis, okay? Sedlick is the sole and exclusive owner. He's the photographer. He's a professor of the iconic Miles Davis portrait. This is one right here, okay? And it appeared first in Jazzy's magazine in 1989. There's the photo at issue. Okay, that's going to become a tattoo, so hold that in your head here. It was world famous, appeared in Pictures of the Year in Life magazine. He licenses it for non-exclusive copyrights. So in other words, this is a great piece of art for this particular photographer. Now, defendant here, as I mentioned, Kat Von D, it's almost like Kathmandu, is world-renowned tattoo artist, reality TV star, recording artist, TV, film producer, entrepreneur. She does it all. Let's just face it. That's doing it all. Cosmetics, clothing company, shoe company. Oh, my goodness. 1.8 million followers on Twitter. Part of this, I believe she's alleged to be part of this tattoo company, High Voltage Tattoo. It's a great name. I love that. So Kat Von D is prominently featured as the marquee tattoo artist for the company. So, I wonder what she charges because being that popular, that's got to be an expensive tattoo. So let's cut to the facts here. Let's get to the copyright infringement, basically saying that you can't take that photo and reproduce it. This is the basis of the lawsuit, of course. You can't take that photo and reproduce it in a tattoo. Oh, there it is. Look at this. The Kat Von. I wonder if we're related. Kat Von. We may be related. I'm not sure. I may have to send a text message here or something. So there you have it. There's the Miles Davis photo in the back. You see the finger on the mouth, and now the hair looks just from this photo like slightly different, but I can't tell, but you can see that the photo is the inspiration, and I guess what's going to be at issue is whether this is just access to the work and copying, substantial similarity, and without a defense like fair use. Maybe there's a fair use, it's a derivative, it's a transformative work of art, I don't know, but it appears that maybe this is being done for commercial profit. If so, a little less protection under the fair use laws. So that's what's at issue, the tattoo. And I just wanted you to be aware of this, things that can be copyrighted. There's a lot of things, and there's some other photos here about YouTube. There was a picture posted on YouTube, and it looks like that's the work, kind of working off the work. So you always have to be careful when you're working with somebody else's high quality, high profile image, photographs, anything along those lines. And I'm not sure what this is, the High Voltage Tattoo. So anyway, these are the allegations. And again, we'll see what happens. That may be the final tattoo right there on or about May 16, 2070. Kat Von D, KVD Inc. High voltage tattoo. And or one of more Doe defendants published the following image on Kat Von D's Instagram page. And look at that, 20,000 likes. Boy, that's like really, just really knocking it out of the park. The great Miles Davis, okay? So that's just, I'm going to leave it there. You can see for yourself. But when you go into your tattoo artist, you know, it may be better to say, and I've done this before, is can you look at this? I want something along these lines, like something to inspire you along the lines, but don't copy it. Like, you know, somebody may get upset, especially if you're doing it for commercial value. So I've seen that it looks like there's a lot of litigation. This is heavily litigated. I'm going to keep you guys posted on what happens here. But that's just to give you a glimpse of creative works of authorship, fixed and tangible medium of expression, little taste of fair use, little taste of transformative, and derivative works, which is what's going to be at issue here. So, you know, they're seeking the full range of damages. I don't mean to go so fast on you here. Just wanted to get down to kind of to the bottom. Seeking the full range of damages, as we talk about in copyright law, statutory damages, other damages as well. So there you have it. I'm going to keep you posted. You got to subscribe to the channel. It's the only way you're going to probably even hear about the conclusion of this case. So I think it could settle. I think there's maybe a high chance that this could be deemed infringing just because it looks to be directly viewed. But again, we have to wait for all the facts to come out, all the defenses. You know, every fact is critical in a case like this. I hope you enjoyed that. This is general legal information only, not legal advice. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh, and you see my sign back there. Don't forget to like. All right, it's not going to hurt you. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great week, and we're going to be back with some more great videos. Take care now. Bye.